Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in your WhatsApp account on two different devices using only one phone number. So for this tutorial, I'm going to record two screens on different devices. So first, you have to open your WhatsApp. Then you have to go to your settings and click on link devices. In this way, you'll be able to link your account to another device. It says here that you can link it on web, desktop, and other devices. Right now, my second device is a laptop, but don't you worry because this tutorial is also applicable if you are using a phone as your second device. At this point, the QR code will be shown to your second device, and all you have to do is to use the camera of your first device and capture the QR code that is showing on the other screen, and it will automatically log in your account on your second device. As you can see here, I can see all the messages that I am sending, and I also have the same access and full control on my WhatsApp here on my second device. And that's how you can use your WhatsApp account on two different devices. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.